Did you know there's a sound in New Mexico that's driving people insane? And no one knows where it comes from? Since the 1990s, residents of Taos have reported hearing something impossible. A low, constant hum, like a diesel engine that never stops running. Here's what makes it terrifying. Only 2% of people can hear it, but for those who do, it becomes a living nightmare. They describe sleepless nights, crushing headaches, and psychological torment so severe that some have tried to end their lives just to escape the sound. Congressional investigators launched studies. Acoustic experts brought sensitive equipment. Scientists ran tests for decades. The most disturbing discovery? The hum was captured on recording devices, proving it's real, not psychological, not imagined. But after 30 years of investigation, no one can explain what creates it. Military experiments, underground activity, natural phenomena, every theory falls apart. Somewhere in Taos, a sound continues to torment a small group of people. Equipment detects it. Experts confirm it exists, yet its source remains completely unknown, and the humming never stops.